speak.
Listen, Mr. Rathi, sir,
He's
decide.
also an Indian
You have
citizen.
sold your journalism. I don't want to come to that, please. And you are the rudest and the meanest anchor who tries to target the BJP. And you think I will take your nonsense?
I asked you a question.
How dare he say?
I asked
How
you a
dare I
question,
ask
sir.
Why are you
On this
asking me?
platform.
He's made a point.
We
We're all going to
One
break
second,
one.
sir. Do not threaten.
Never ever do that
Okay,
again to my
one
party.
second.
Again.
We are all
do
going
that
to
one
again.
second.
from contesting
Can I come
election
in?
for 10 years.
I need to-
And that'll be the end.
So those are the real issues.
Because
Amitabh
I
Tiwari,
will get
1
that.
minute, sir. Gaurav Bhatia, 1 minute. Amitabh Tiwari, is that the real issue? The real issue in this country.
दोस्तों एआर रिव्यू में आप सभी का स्वागत है। इस डिबेट में आप सभी को बहुत ही मजा आने वाला है, इसलिए आप सभी अंत तक जरूर बने रहिएगा।
Speak.
Listen, Mr. Rathi, sir,
He's
decide.
also an Indian
You have
citizen.
sold your journalism. I don't want to come to that, please. And you are the rudest and the meanest anchor who tries to target the BJP. And you think I will take your nonsense? How dare
I
he-
asked
saying
you a
you've made a
question.
How dare he say?
I asked
How
you a
dare I
question,
ask
sir.
Why are you
On this
asking me?
platform.
He's made a
I
point.
will never do
We're
that
all
again.
going to
One
break
second,
one.
sir. Do not threaten.
Never ever do that
Okay,
again to my
one
party.
second.
Threaten again.
We are
Never
all
ever do
going
that
Just
again.
one second.
From contesting
Can I come
election
in?
for 10 years.
I need to-
And that'll be the end.
So those are the real issues.
Because
Amitabh
I will
Tiwari,
get
1
time.
minute, sir. Gaurav
Again.
Bhatia, 1 minute. Amitabh Tiwari, is that the real issue? The real issue in this country is that we don't have a right to recall. Sunny Deol attended Parliament just a couple of, just a minute,
one
sir.
nation, one
Just
election.
a minute.
That
Sir,
are the different
sir.
topics. Let's
No,
debate
1
the
minute.
topic. Why
The
are
real-
we digressing
no, sir.
from
The
the
re-
topic?
Sir, you cannot.
We are
sad.
digressing from the
Hitesh,
topic, Raj.
Hitesh, please.
This is the way he wants.
Sunny Deol attended
Rajiv,
Parliament a couple of times for
take
5
more
years.
time than the
I don't
Parliament.
have a right to recall. A government is
act
chosen.
grind with the BJP. Don't do this, please.
No, all
You are
sides-
talking about what kind of
You asked
electoral
me a question,
reforms
did
we
you
are
even
having.
come back to us to seek a response? Or I ask you now. leave it.
Amitabh has got
No, no,
only
I know.
30 seconds so far.
Okay.
You have had 6 minutes.
Yes, I
Have
represent
equal-
the
given
Bharatiya
equal
Janata
time.
Party. You are raising questions at Narendra Modi ji and the government. I need to respond. Now listen
I
to
will
me.
let you. Let him
I
finish.
asked you a question.
I will let you. First, he must start. No,
How
sir.
dare you say that democracy will not be taken forward by this? I ask you a question. Please answer. Right now, a voter gets how many opportunities to vote in the assembly or the Lok Sabha? Tell me. Answer. 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 You don't have an answer. Second.
1 minute, sir.
Can I please come in?
Rajiv, how many times would the voter get an opportunity to vote in the assembly and the Lok Sabha after one nation, one poll? Same. Why do you say that democracy will not be
Yes.
Can I
cited?
please come in for a
Second.
minute?
Second,
No, he
please.
must let him. He's on a roll.
Second.
I thought June
No,
4th
he-
had made people
everybody-
more humble. Clearly, it has not.
Yeah.
You have become even ruder and more obnoxious. I'm sorry, but go ahead.
Who has become ruder and obnoxious?
I'm trying to ask you a question.
Just a sec. Is this a personal comment on me?
It is a comment on someone who raises his
I will
voice
not be able
and
to
doesn't allow
participate.
anyone
Listen,
to speak.
Listen, Mr. Rathi, sir,
He's
decide.
also an Indian
You have
citizen.
sold your journalism. I don't want to come to that, please. And you are the rudest and the meanest anchor who tries to target the BJP. And you think I will take your nonsense? I will not. Abstain from making any personal comments. Okay, tell me, which are the articles that have to be amended in the Constitution? Tell me.
Can I
Rajiv
come
has
in
to
for
tell
a
me.
minute, please?
Don't, no, please, just
No,
wait.
no, I want to make
Tell
a
me,
point.
which
Please
are the
don't try
articles
and
to be
do this to
amended?
me.
He won't be able to tell you the articles of the
Amitabh
Constitution.
Tiwari,
Sorry.
since Mr.
Actually,
Gaurav, Mr.
and
Gaurav
now
Bhatia,
You are sitting with
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia,
Never ever make
your
personal
ability,
comment on
you
my
have,
party.
you are coming
Never ever.
in this panel of 6, you've
Yes.
spoken the most and shouted
No,
the most. This
you-
audience can
you are
decide
the
that.
one who's
I'm not
biased
going to
the
get
most.
into it.
You are
I'm sorry.
biased to the
This
Bharatiya
audience
Janata
has
Party.
come here.
And I exercise my right. I ask you the article of the Constitution.
I am not
which
here-
needs to be amended. You
I am
don't
just-
even know. And you are anchoring the show.
गौरव जी
You
गौरव
can't.
जी
I'm just.
मैं आपसे सिर्फ एक
please.
बात बोलना चाह रही
मैं
हूँ
आपसे
गौरव जी,
पूछना चाहता हूँ, आपको आर्टिकल
मैं
पता
आपको
है?
एक बात पूछना
आपको
चाहती
आर्टिकल
हूँ
पता है?
मेरे
अगर
से
पता है तो
चिल्लाइए
बता
मत।
दीजिए।
लोग देखे यहाँ पे बैठे गौरव जी मैं आपसे एक बात
राजीव जी,
पूछना
मैं
चाह रही
आपसे
हूँ
आखिरी बार कह रहा हूँ।
गौरव जी
If you ever make a personal comment on Narendra Modi ji or a BJP spokesperson, I will not take it. Do you understand?
What is the personal comment
You
we
said
made?
mean. You said mean and shouting. Why?
Because
I'm
you are.
can I
And-
make a
and
statement
have
for
you
the
not been
benefit of this
biased?
audience and for the
I will
benefit of the
not take
debate
it.
if we are
Sorry.
done with this
Sir, I
Okay.
will not
We
be.
are
No, listen.
doing it
No, one
now.
second.
Rahul, one
Rajdeep,
second.
just one second.
India today
Can I call?
I
Rahul-
want to know the stand.
Okay,
of
one
India
second.
today.
I want to. We're running out of
Rahul,
time.
we are in Maharashtra.
We are
I just
in-
want to ask you one
Dare
thing.
you say
There
that
is a
again?
Maharashtra
Dare you say
audience
that?
here.
I warn you here.
ये
I
Maharashtra
warn you.
What are you doing?
Never ever make a personal comment
Please
about
show
my
me
leader.
the personal comment.
I
Please
will
show
tell
me.
you. I
What
will
was
tell.
the- what
How
was the
dare you
personal
say
comment?
that this nation will become a nation of one leader, Modi ji? How?
That's a
Tell
question.
me.
Am I not
How?
allowed to ask you a
Can I-
question?
How dare you?
Am I not? How
Have
dare?
you not
Are you
won three
threatening me,
elections? Has he not won 3 elections?
Okay,
Are you
Rajdeep,
Has he
Rajdeep.
not
No,
won
one
three
second.
elections?
Are
No,
you
listen,
threatening me?
Listen, Gaurav bhai, Gaurav bhai.
Are you
threatening me?
Rajdeep.
I am telling you, and I will enforce.
I let
all
this
these
audience
remedies.
decide the quality of people that we
Okay,
have in
Please.
public life.
So,
If
okay,
the
one
quality
second.
is bad, listen,
second.
Rahul. No. If-
Okay,
listen.
you
wait.
made your point.
Wait, no, I'm not. If
One
the-
second.
If the
Because
qual-
wait, no, one
no,
second.
Rahul, please.
One second. Faders down. I must call this
No.
debate. No, this is not
Can
right. You're speaking.
Do you stand for that? what
I
he
don't
said?
stand for any of what
No,
anyone is doing.
does
You
the
made your
executive
point.
move say-
Gaurav bhai, you made your point.
Not that.
No, one second. I've got just a few minutes left before we wrap up. What I wish to do
You cannot
as we
shout
wrap up-
at
No,
me
one
like
second,
this,
Rajdeep,
sir.
just drop this.
I've
One
been
second.
very patient.
Let's drop this.
You are not patient. You are
Gaurav bhai,
biased.
Gaurav bhai, you
And
made
that
a
is
point.
why I'm giving it back to you.
Gaurav, you made a
He
point.
doesn't.
You
What?
made a point. Now,
How?
you
How
can't.
could he say Narendra Modi ji,
I'm
one
not
nation,
agreeing.
one leader?
Hey, one
I
second,
asked
you
you a
made a
question.
point.
An India
One
Today
second.
platform.
I asked you a question.
Rahul,
One
How
second.
dare you?
Okay,
Can I
Gaurav,
make a
Gaurav,
point?
you made a
Narendra
point. You
Modi
made a
ji
point.
has
Or is
won
it supposed
3
to be a
elections.
I want to make just one point.
No, one second.
यहाँ पे महाराष्ट्र के
Give me
लोग
one
हैं।
minute.
He
Give me
has
1
won
minute.
3 elections. And
You-
your anchor dares
Okay,
to
one
say
second, you
in
made that
India
point. Gaurav
that
bhai.
he is one nation, one leader.
Made a point. We've heard you. One
So
second.
why did he say that?
What
He
is
can.
this threatening?
Arey,
What
he's
is
made a
happening?
point. You've responded. Calm down. You.
So why
He
is this
said
a platform
something.
for Modi bashing?
You've responded. One
Is this
second.
a platform for
There is no
Modi
Modi
bashing?
bashing happening. What are you saying? Okay.
Never ever
One
do that
second.
again.
One second. Time out.
You know
Time out.
nothing about
Okay.
the
One second.
Constitution and you
Gaurav
want
bhai.
to deliberate
Gaurav
it.
bhai. One second. One second. Rajdeep.
You invited us.
Yes.
How dare he say
You.
that you are,
He
how
said
dare
I asked
something.
you a
You made a
question.
How dare
point.
he say?
I asked
How
you a
dare I
question,
ask
sir.
Why are you
On this
asking me?
platform.
He's made a point.
I asked you a
All right, you know
question.
what we're going to do is,
This is
I'm
not
gonna
going to
just
serve
come
any
in.
purpose.
What we're
Okay,
going
one
to do
second.
is,
One second.
we're all going to
Don't
bring
threaten me,
on.
sir. Do not threaten.
Never ever do that
Okay,
again to my
one
party.
second.
Threaten again.
We are
Never
all
ever do
going
that
one
to
second.
break
Threaten, sir.
for lunch.
Here's what we are going to
I will
do.
give it back
Gaurav
to
bhai, okay, one second. Here's
Square, fair
here-
and square,
here-
I
here-
tell you.
here-
No.
here's
I
what
object.
you've made. Arey, how often will you object? You've objected. We've registered your objection. Now give everybody a chance. You are trying to monopolize the debate, which is not
I'm
fair.
not. I'm sorry.
He's
I think I was
he's
making-
made a point. You've objected. We've heard you.
this is
Now
not
calm
an
down.
anti-BJP platform.
There is no anti-BJP platform.
So please.
You made a point. We've heard you. Now thande ho jao. Okay, one second. We're running
Can't
out of
do that
time.
again.
It's time also for lunch. I want, in the interest of fairness, to give everybody 30 seconds each to make concluding comments. Let's again try and raise the level of the debate. I'll start
these
with Supriya.
anchors?
Gaurav bhai,
these anchors?
you can't keep making the same point again and again. You made that
Can't
point.
be making personal
You
comments.
cannot make the same point again and again. Supriya
I will.
Shrinate,
I
final
will,
points.
Rahul.
Final words. Will you let others speak, please? Supriya Shrinate, final words.
We are sitting in Mumbai. महाराष्ट्र का जो चुनाव हरियाणा और जम्मू कश्मीर के साथ करा नहीं पाए, बात कर रहे हैं वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन की। असलियत तो ये है। And I want to tell this audience, I am sorry for what happened here. I am sorry on the behalf of political parties and politicians at large. We wasted your time. I am sorry about that. You should apologize too.
Okay, one second. Gaurav, you've spoken enough. Hitesh,
No,
I'll
sorry.
come to you last.
So- sorry, no, no,
you
I
cannot
need to
decide
speak.
when you will speak. I'm sorry.
No, Rahul,
Hitesh
this
Jain,
is-
I give you 30 seconds to make your final points. Yes, please.
Rahul, time for one nation, one election has come. I don't think this is an adversarial debate, but this is a topic on which we should rise and keep the national interest above the political interest.
Amitabh Tiwari, 30 seconds.
See, it is a disruptive idea and it needs much wider consultations because in the committee report itself, the cost benefit is not mentioned. How much money ECI is going to save by conducting simultaneous elections is not mentioned. The benefits are largely intangible, which is very, very difficult to quantify. So we need much wider consultations.
Which is the idea,
And-
which is
and
why
Rahul-
we did this.
and Rahul-
You've spoken now.
Just-
Supriya
no,
ji.
this is for
Go
your
on.
benefit.
In the-
This is for
Now you will allow.
Give
I am-
everyone
Now you
a
will
I'm
allow.
not
No,
allowing it.
Supriya,
I'm
you
not
can't.
allowing it.
No,
Jagdeep ji.
Jagdeep
One
Chopra.
second. Jagdeep ji, 30 seconds to make your final comments.
I am sorry I came to participate in the conclave because I did not come for this that has happened here, and I have nothing more to say. If this is the way politics in the country is going to be run, we can have one nation, one election, 2,000 nations, 5,000 elections. It is not going to make any difference.
Gaurav Bhatia,
can I
30
just
seconds.
give my 30 seconds?
Okay, fine. Aap bhi.
My 30 seconds is this. We have a show, Elections on My Plate. You do Jab We Met. We go to different parts of this wonderful country. I've come back from Haryana. I was earlier in Jammu and Kashmir. I only hope one nation, one election doesn't prevent us from doing that. We want to celebrate each and every corner of the greatest country in
And
the
your
world.
money minting conclave.
Just a minute.
One
Ma'am,
second,
allow
let-
me to finish.
Let
The
Gaurav
only way you can celebrate this country, allow every Indian to
By
express
calling
himself,
names to the Prime
is
Minister,
have-
you will celebrate.
Just a minute, sir. I will replay that. I want the audience. I asked a question. Is this about one nation, one election, or one nation, one election, one leader? That's the question I asked. If you feel that's an attack on the Prime Minister, I am more than willing to apologize for it. Mera dil bahut bada hai. You don't know how big my chest is, but I won't refer to my chest. I only will refer to the
Now,
fact.
this is all
Okay,
fine.
I
Rajiv,
remain-
now you're
I
doing more
remain-
than 30 seconds.
That's the whole problem.
Gaurav Bhatia, 30 seconds. Khatam karo.
India is proud of Narendra Modi ji. He is a leader who has won 3 elections in a row. Remember that. Two, I want to make it very clear that one nation, one poll is a necessity. It's not an article of luxury. Read the constitution. I will tell you, read Article 83, read Article 368, and you will come to know why it's important. And you, as a citizen, have one vote. Gaurav Bhatia, as a citizen, has one vote. By being in minority, you have no right to dictate terms what the country will do. And I will end by a couplet. इन्हें गुमा है कि मेरी उड़ान कम है, इन्हें गुमा है कि मेरी उड़ान कम है, मुझे यकीन है पूरा आसमान कम है. ये है भारतीय जनता पार्टी and the citizenry of the country. Thank you.